Hi everyone, I'm Stefania, personal stylist and founder of One of a Style. The majority of people end up wearing only the 20-30% of clothes in the wardrobe. And this is because we really tend to buy too many clothes every year. So, while it is important to tidy up our wardrobe regularly and keep our wardrobe tidy, it is also important to start changing our shopping behavior. So, I want to give you this shopping tip today. Every time you think about buying something new or you have a new item in your wish list, write it down, and when you decide to go shopping, stick to your list. This is really helping you to avoid wrong, unnecessary, and impulsive purchases. And in the end, it's going to make you save loads of money. You're going to have a little and smaller selection of clothes, but you're going to be happier about it and you're going to wear all the items in your wardrobe. This is everything for today, but of course, if you need a professional help with your shopping or your wardrobe, I'm here to help. Get in touch.